Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable auto-rotate screen in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see display and brightness. Click on this. Now in this option, you'll find here auto rotate screen. If you want to disable it, you just have to turn off the button. Or if you want to enable this, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable or disable auto rotate screen in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.